YouTube, what it do? Right back at it, real quick. I'm gonna show you how to reassemble this clipper, the Andis Master cordless. If you didn't watch the previous video before, go ahead and check that out. The Andis Cordless Masters. You want to learn how to put it back together? Here you go. Before I go, make sure you click that like, that comment, and also subscribe. FadeMasterLos here with the Andis reassembly. Let's go. Interested in any of the tools that you see in this video, click the link down below. The best tools you can get. Step one of the reassembly process, we're gonna go ahead and sit this cover that's under your flap. I'm gonna sit that cover over it like so. Then we're gonna take this part and lay it right on top. I'm gonna take the screws that we took out the first time, line them up so they sit in there like how they're supposed to. Put it in, then we're gonna tighten it straight back up. Get it back tight. Next step after that, take that piece in, just how I'm holding it. Slide it back up in there. Up and around. After we do that, drop it in just like that. Piece in to where it's flush, everything else. Now the goal of this is to get this piece to line back up on the inside, backside of this piece. So what we're gonna do is sit that like so and line it to where it lines up to where this is evenly sitting over its holes. Right there. As you can see, that piece is sitting. As you see, that piece is sitting right there, perfectly aligned with it. We're gonna hold that finger there. And we're gonna begin inserting our screws that we took out. We're gonna begin to insert those screws that we took out. Make sure that we hold this in place. And you can use your fingers just to start it off. And then come back with the screwdriver to tighten it up. Now when you get them all the way screwed in, the tighter you make it, the more tight this lever is going to be. So I like mine to be a little tight, but not too tight. A tad bit tighter. Perfect. This step, we're gonna come in like on an angle to where they're sitting at the bottom. Those little two pieces sitting at the bottom. We're just gonna slide it in like so to where it is sitting comfortably right up in there. Then we're gonna take our last blade. We're gonna put it in and sit on top. I'm gonna show this one more time because I know this could be a little confusing for some people. We're gonna slide it in almost at a 90-degree angle, right, to where that those pieces are sitting under the bottom. We're gonna drop it straight in like so, right, to where it's sitting by itself and could be held by itself. Once we do that, I like to give a little pressure to hold it down. We're gonna come back on top. And me, I like to keep my clippers at a 0 gap. So I'm gonna kind of 0 gap mine while I put these last screws back in. Which I should give y'all a video on how to 0 gap these Andis Masters. That's like something that all Andis Masters should be 0 gap, especially when you're talking about doing a fade. So you get that bottom line out really, really easy. Matter of fact, I might just give a little quick little video outside of this. How to 0 gap the Andis Masters. I'm gonna tighten it all the way up. Make sure we got that last little bit cleaned off. And there you have it. Appreciate you for watching. I appreciate you for liking. I appreciate you for commenting and also subscribing. It's FadeMasterLos here, live and direct. There you have it. Put them all the way back together. Hey, that's what you came here to see. FadeMasterLos here, live and direct. Let's go.